So let's talk about the concepts needed to develop the BCP plan next. So these are the 5 concepts. This is what I boiled it down to. This is my version. If you go out and you Google the concepts of BCP, I don't believe you're going to find Wrangle anywhere, right? It's the Texan in me. I was born in El Paso, right? We're a Texas firm. We want to wrangle stuff. So what I did, I tried to boil down the concepts and basically these are the components of it. Okay, so number 1, wrangling. You're wrangling information, simple as that. Number 2, you're brainstorming. You're brainstorming what what events could happen that would interrupt my business. That's it. Number 3, you're creating plans around those 2 things. You're taking the information that you wrangled, you're taking these potential events, and you're creating plans around those to address those. Number 4, you're teaching what you've created already to your team. You're teaching it so everybody can understand how to respond, where information is. You're going to teach. Number 5, after you've done all that, you've wrangled, you've brainstormed, you've created, you've taught, then you're going to test. Right? You're going to test what you have in place and see how it works. And then you're going to take the results of those tests and you're going to repeat the whole process. Simple as that.